Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I have some new goodies that I've listed in the shop that I'm going to share. I also have the winner from the Not Too Shabby new release Valentine's Day Hop. So that has been posted on my community tab under my YouTube channel. So congratulations to the winner. She's already been contacted and has claimed her prize. You'll see a lot more inspiration coming your way. I just mailed out the design team, the rest of the design team, the Valentine's Day box. So you're going to see lots of more projects done with the new release. So here's the 3 stamp sets if you missed our videos. They're super, super cute. You can check out the video hop for inspiration on that. And the paper pads are in. So I also did a flip through on my previous video if you want to check out that. So 2 beautiful paper pads. We have new items from Catherine Pooler. So there's this blending brushes. I thought the color was super pretty. And the white bristles, just really pretty. And there's a stencil that I really liked, this heart, scribbly heart stencil. And I believe it's called Scribbled Heart Stencil. Just like it looks. I thought this was really cool. This is their takeout box. So it makes a 3D takeout box, which I thought was really cute for little like favors. Put little treats in there. And then this tag set here goes nicely with that. You can make some tags. Really cute with the hearts and then the flag banner. And then there was this nice slimline die with the hearts, and then you can use it with or without the hearts because the piece on the inside does come out if you snip off those little reinforcers there. And then it's got some nice dotting along the edge here. They have 2 paper pads. I Love You Soy 6x6 paper pads, 80-pound cardstock. I love that little image there with the soy sauce and the sushi. Really, really cute. Love the colors. And then there's a slimline pattern paper. So you get 24 sheets on this. And really nice, cute colors for Valentine's Day. Brand new inks from Catherine Pooler. Really pretty. This is Do-Si Do. Really pretty pink color. In the Park. Nice minty color. Pucker Up. Nice pink. Serenade. A nice purple. Then we got Cummerbund. It's a nice light teal blue. Chiffon, like lemon chiffon. Nice lemony color. We've got Catching Rays. So nice color to make a sunset. And then Drive-In, a nice deep purple. Their new sequence is Romance. So really pretty. It's got some of that teal blue in there. Lots of pinks. And then from Avery L, I thought this was super cute. I had to grab this one. So I put this one up as a bundle where you get the die and the stamp at a 10% discount. And these little critters are just the cutest thing. Like waving high out of this envelope. So you can pack your little critters popping out of this envelope, and it's got some pretty flowers and foliage in there. And then we've got the sentiments, hello, hugs enclosed, and special delivery. So really cute. And the die does come with some bonus words. We've got love, hello, and hugs. Real cute. So I'll have the link down below to the section in the shop for Avery L, Catherine Pooler's The Not Too Shabby. I'll be working on this card next. So I had the idea of making tattoos on the arms. So I wanted to do a card with that. I thought that would be fun. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I really do appreciate it. And I will catch you guys real soon.